In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the Steam black screen and stuck loading screen issue. If Steam opens to a black screen or gets stuck on the loading screen, it can prevent you from accessing your game library and other features. Fortunately, there are several settings you can check that often resolve the problem. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through each step so you can get Steam working properly again and return to gaming as quickly as possible. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If you're prompted to sign in, click the Login button, enter your account name and password, and then click Sign In. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage, where you'll be able to access the settings needed for this fix. Start by clicking the Steam menu in the upper left corner of the application window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This opens Steam's configuration window, where you can adjust various options related to the client. Inside the Settings window, locate and select the Interface section. Here you'll find an option called Client Beta Participation. Open the available options and choose Steam Beta Update. Opting into the beta version allows you to receive newer updates that may include bug fixes and performance improvements capable of resolving loading screen and display issues before they reach the standard release. If the problem continues, there are a few additional settings worth checking. One common cause of loading problems is corrupted browser data stored within the Steam client. Return to the Settings window and locate the option to delete the Steam web browser cache and cookies. Clearing this stored data can remove corrupted files that may be preventing Steam from loading correctly and often improves overall client performance. Next, make sure your Steam client is fully up to date. Open the Steam menu again and select Check for Steam Client Updates. If an update is available, install it before testing Steam again. Running the latest version ensures you have the newest stability improvements, security updates, and compatibility fixes. Finally, don't forget to keep your graphics drivers updated. Outdated drivers can sometimes cause display issues, including black screens or freezing during startup. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's software or update utility and install the latest available driver for your system. After completing these steps, restart Steam and check whether the issue has been resolved. In many cases, these simple adjustments are enough to fix black screen and loading screen problems without any additional troubleshooting. That's all there is to it. Keeping both Steam and your graphics drivers updated, along with periodically clearing the client cache, can help prevent similar issues in the future. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your gaming experience.